episode for higher GC News. Mima Obibia Akwaba had the latest hot enamede Bramo. And unti so you subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe. The way I say over click the subscribe button, you know. Now what barely notification. We have a video for be upload when the first person once ebeka a video. Afi we are now what like video no give us a thumbs up now fi share my for so that when you be here now we and somewhere koso ewo Ghana memo hadum. Afi yimbura ye semwa abeto yepono so yinkuti sa report ya ababetu ya mama yiti sansemu yi.
Yamame Justice Torkonoo. Nsia wono 11 September 1962. Okay. And wo share na year ebra odwane ayeba 14th May 2004 ana yadeno ko High Court. Wow. Na o share honum up to 2012 John Agyapong Akufo na appointing ko ana John Mahama ana John Mahama a man so free High Court at the Appeals Court. Mamino. 2012. Yes, October 2012 to December 2019. Wow. Anna Nana Akufo Addo, a man so from Appeals Court at the the Supreme Court. Wow. On so a year 2019.
2019, yeah.
2019.
Well, but to be more Supreme Court.
That's right. Tama oko High Court no. Afi pepepe Anna Justice Bafu Boni oko Supreme Court.
That was 2008.
Bafu Boni call 2005.
2005.
When 2004 na ya didn't call High Court. And
Bafu Boni then I think say 2008.
No, 2005.
Okay, what that?
Jacob for time 2005. And what no eko honum. Eti utimu se watena wache. Answer mami ba. Eti se ye nominate you from the Peace Court to Supreme Court. Wakwa to senior for Justice Poor Man as so ko am say 2015. Yeah. Any ade.
Montete 2016 what to be.
Ya de wako 2019 na pa ya your Chief Justice.
Apa obi ho.
I'm so worried. I'm so worried. Eti wo hwe ade na utimu se ye call by rules of engagement. Ewo how are you select na seniority na do baby a atuguba ebe ye yina no because say no wodi animu aye sign no ho e de kokoma nipa foforo so on eje no na ke say atuguba and the Chief Justice ade yetwa no ho am say omode ma Sofia Kufu so ho eti sadwa manuama we bi ana etoda ema oman ye yeden yenko yanim na maye brief ayi kakra Torkonoo Efri Winneba in the central region of Ghana.
Afenyo.
That's right. And what the make na wo connect dots no ne kai ka ho. The Afenyo timi issue rate on 12 noon. That by 2 near Monday ni etie. No bi susu dia kwakoda ho no ma mosumi mienu mosumi miesa. Ni emfiu ni ade no. Sa pepe. And sa what say
the bad powers.
Afenyo Markin said ya bre defending na chese wa hu baby free.
Wow, one PP Afenyo Markin.
Yeah, no hu baby free. So on yet no. Eti say ma me dey say na so you say there. Yeah, ya na me mpese meko into that he say ebia what you say. After all, in the line of President Mahama left no from baby, ediko baby. So on yet no.
Time be any.
Into time be any. Me nko ka say wo sa party we na say wo sa party
sana bi munti
sa na wo hwe yese wo ne ye ene usuban ana ebe ya de no yese wo ho fe de obeko na usuban de obeba so ho ne tie no yes wo ho fe de wakọ obia je atum say yes we Chief Justice wo tutu nuama kama ndembom wo ne ye bi ne ye no ebi ni sei wo hwe kwan ya ofa so ebra na omohwe sa election related issues na tadio sorry ya will raise issue against one of the panel members I walk at you say sa papa ya woti hoidie ayi wotena so bia enyeye adenti no wotena so bia enyeye because wa contested as MPP parliamentary candidate in one of the constituencies in Volta region eti wotena so bia enyeye wokita the poster ebra wo contest here ni poster me say asem na wo kana na to Chief Justice no presiding. Oh, Mr. Sorry, we've heard enough. It's okay. Sit down. Hey, lawyer need na wani mu kasa. Enti mando kwan kran na go wie.
Mo we sa video ni ma Cecilia whatever.
So,
production team.
Mando kwan na ka won kasa wie because we raise serious allegation against one of you. Enti wa mo just one example you can say evident. Wo twaso just what twaso be expose wo muntino. And the woman in Casacra that was shutting it down. Look, one of the basic year, as I say, Chief Justice would say, will be to me a control temperament. Say, we are Chief Justice, and I say, Okokonya, how can you run the judiciary? Say, Obi can have some legitimate concern. Now, woman will be shutting it down, Sadia. I don't think say fair. Eti enu ebetimi aye one of the reasons in there among for so now hwese ne wose ye no e wo court ho na clearly no you can state it as misbehavior so ne ete no edu no free ho no ma ana ya bobo so ase ehun sika se ne ne gakeka ho now you see I don't know ye kiremu ye now when it comes to travels ye wo official travel and private travel nijina is captured the official travel no wo kwa eno ne de wo kwa with your security detail so ne te no state no and the fahoka se wo kwa private traveler eno no state no efa won kwa wo hoka sa audit ya omuye ya oka se wo use scabi no na eje official travel. It was a private travel. Wanene kuno nene bano. Na private.
No makoje per dem.
Makoje ho per dem.
$10,000.
What twitwa moyi at the point kra no. Ye say do mo ho no mo. Was San Fred kra mo musa change ticket no to word BBB or mo upgrade from business no. E ba no call first class.
What I say?
No kwa na omo upgrade ye man call first class no. Omo say pia $9,000 in addition.
They take it.
Yes.
Bomaneka.
Adia chese auditor general na capture side way no.
Captured in the auditor general's report.
But bisa
auditor general na why auditor general asem ye kan.
Eh na Akufo Addo.
I don't much them ye. Now we are quite some Mahama. Auditor general na ye.
Auditor general.
No auditor general.
And some them no be at us.
And no ankasa kra no, but say judicial secretary no e call for that audit. Ano mo aye a che say ade na ba. Na edru baby a afa we say sa 9,000 na wo mo ye na additional ne de obetua. Fidie na cho.
Papa nka obetua.
Fidie na yi no.
Ayi no. Just what the media question mama na so do ko.
Ne call she wire no.
Yeah, ehim. Just o twin ko baby emfa. The mere fact is say wajiatu mu say. The mere fact is wajiatu mu say. Oh, I didn't fa kwa mu. Eti metua ne bag no. Asante ground. Yes, on my buy. I'm a boy it is finished.
It is what?
It's finished. It's finished.
It is finished. You see, these are some of the things. What say embryo? Adamungo God. Well, most of them not all. So they tell o kokotinaso. What would they tell? Supreme Court judges say, "Oh, I'm talking 14 cc." Emu two pe. Anabako every President Akufo Addo free John Mahama.
Yakanyina na don't go for.
12 na kanyina President Akufo Addo. Ebra wa appoint omo say, "Hey, who package judiciary? No wodim the opese woye." Because Omo said the next 20 years no, they should have total control in the judiciary.
Atta Forson.
So de tie no. Wo go kwatenase
Unim de ntia. I'm sure no tell me. Why Nana Addo ne team no episode will take over judiciary. Let me tell you something. So as a result of this,
A book we did in the captain.
murder in the palace at Chebi.
Murder in the palace
At Chebi.
Aye.
It was written by one ACP H.A. Niama.
We are book on Ache.
Oh, Ache. Okay.
That's the name of the name of
Time na war pay. Also, there were 3 arms of government.
Yeah.
Now, your executive, your legislature, your judiciary.
Yeah.
Now, executive, no. Now, Mufi sa abrofo no be dane ama JB dankwa. Abrofo na nye. And there's a book a chere wire. Na abrofo no mpene se JB dankwa. Betime di o man name. There's a book which they know. Because now abrofo no nim se JB dankwa a traitor. Odidi Kwame Nkrumah ho konkonsa na CIA fo etua ne ka
America.
through American embassy. Chokwa anu akwaje kewu. Chomo chi ni tum kura na na sika ne nko no. Oba no kwa American embassy ambassador no so ekobusa nsa why are you not paying me?
Kodin sekuro.
Efe no to ho. Eti executive ni fi wo monsa. Kwame Nkrumah fi Western region. Waba Accra. Abeji ododo aboso. Ema JB dankwa ama people teacher. Akana to form say team.
Even in prison could all be.
Enti when nya executive arm of government no. When nya judiciary. Then afterwards no, JB dankwa was defending this case.
Murder in the palace at Chebi.
Okay. And then they realized that say nya executive. Na nya legislature there.
Judiciary no.
Ye judiciary ho ne there.
Yamfa.
Ye betimi abo awuram.
Apake ho.
Afa ho no said ye pe. Nti efi na akui no. Krachi ni bia wo ye busuan mu.
Ose o yellow.
Wo ahemfi ha no. Ese wo yellow.
By force. It's a mafia.
Ese se wo yellow. Because ni na kogruba ye the aban case beba court.
Obeye merenimfo.
Ni na kogruba ye the legislature asem no ye the beba court. Nti yen so yenji judiciary no emmo so. And inside this book bet so mutwa sika to one mu to bribes for cases. Dem na make am.
Book no neka.
Another day story.
Asama na mike am say say Justice Atugu Babeye Chief Justice no yade ma George na Wood no. Peni bi attest abra Mrs. ya. Eti nanka on nanka eseye ana yesa no ho yade ma George na Wood. Eni ade. Eti sadwe ba nyina ayeden akoso bibia said wo hwedo no yem paki honom ne ade. Eti e ka say mu yayi mo paki ho last minute to say omo de nomination go na minority amana amaso vete no anti mama so on
to Supreme Court
to Supreme Court come say the two kwa ka na ka 16 eti wo de yen set panel be ye ne oho ni da no say office I mean it should not be so that me benim say sadi we ekowie committee ni wie na dwuma na afi omo recommend say on konkotran nchen wo wie na president confirm the acting chief justice
Justice Bafuboni
no de bakumi no bi kokoka ho a afi na ora adwuma no ba be hyase afi ana
Justice Bafuboni so na yire Mrs. Bafuboni so na call director general prison so the whole
sir
na yire
oh I see
Ochi corruption man
on pekata
papa no
oh sir me never
obehe omoso ho
oh me no
Ochi corruption
by the way principle
papa no
Justice Bafuboni
yeah
on pekata
yeah fa fa ni de chi be 3 kilometers away obesense apa
ata se chale pro
Bafuboni
yeah eti media medium say this country you be move to right direction
to we make say Bafuboni na do no so a Akufo na appointed no
oh dabi look hwe one who say odi mra so a it doesn't matter nipa no ne political affiliation or be lawyer to you. Now there's a man for Sensano. It is how the manner. No, was it a walk with the MPPG? It is an away. What pay a lawyer to the state? State, you know, president is the state.
First gentleman of the land.
President can say a law. I don't even say
exactly.
What Kasa say and ne ma will be a move kwa haseya. A law.
Would we move you?
A law. What my directives are a law. Eti na demo ya ka de say. Eti for just omo enya you know omo ya me wano. President are directed say collaborate with him and get to the bottom of the matter. It is security for Romoti to yeden. Womoti ho yeden.
Time in the vessel.
I don't know say before set time no so as say mo man just say kino yes say one persuasion phase. Force must be applied.
Jakpa.
Hwe ada asama na me no ka. Ewo ushoso.
Alatari no.
Alatari da me ka say omukoko bia yima no. Wo say me ka 18th January no. Wo sa ebisa bimpo okay to me. It says so 18 December. And I make 18 January. Hey! 18 for the Afan World Cup. Hey, Hopeson say, Sabi, just say, Mahamadu Bawumia Nankasa, Yabia Mankrofo, Edin America Honum. God so good for me, or frame me. Adam Gajan man.
Recently.
Mina Mikajo. Adam say, I sleep. A year 18th December 2024. Now, if you walk or grantee interview
on this.
No, adi media yedo no angasa opa omie na nunka biom. Opa omie na nunka biom. You see, ensise yede omai no edi agro. Asema yeka ye serious issues. Look, maso omo da tutu ayi say Swiss sport omo ache ye container be passes they suspect say ebeye yi. This me say mo President Mahamadu ba. Mo na ban no. Mo na baso.
Boy Juma.
Mo na baso because we be nani. Na first no now tete sade no.
There be that.
Are you telling me say na no bodeba?
There be.
E come head bia o. Na so ben bia ba we say, look, who this year you beka. I don't know. Mo ba be dey. Na adiba kwa ya me ya ne say, look, se mo chi say na bu jadi pana, let us get to the political affiliation. Ni afa to abonte.
Who more ye umudi say ja.
Omo yes I don't know what you want. Let us dig
deep.
Sansan phone betwa so e wo kroma sei. So we dey no. That me baby adameka. Hwe. Bogabi, me kokotena airport wo. Me de makoma fita.
Entina wo free ho no. Omo ma free ho nya asembia.
Mini asembia. Na me je madwene say Sanu bone no ne MPP di ni de eti no me make sure
bibia ntwam
mo obi nkonko gidi bone that time wo bo ndu bone na wo bo President Akufo Addo dia na eti me make sure se me ma bibia ensi ewo honum
ense ni din
so we dey no eti chese wo hwe ne ekuko okoso na eyade a ehu kakra na wonim ma me endagresi kakra bi papa ya ye friend no Zoom Lion
say Japan
wo say sa aprapra eya o sign contract with YE ma hu say Manase Azura raise issues bi na wo hwe issues na look media for mum picking it up mum make sure say Ghana emrantia ne mabawa wo munam kwan ho prapra as a staff of Zoom Lion no wo mu benya justice abani wa sign contract say bosume so a member 850 Ghana cedis sa 850 Ghana cedis no Zoom Lion the 250 enema omo ye adwuma no ono ankasa wafa 600 near there was say administrative charges.
Is it true say it will be 250 Ghana wa?
255.
bisa mo prapra kwan ho no.
Why a deep investigation on this?
Na first no brother say na omutua say 150. 150. And I need, as I said, you make sure. See, I take this matter up. Now, me say, Malik Basintali, obey yesterday.
The new
CEO of YA. Malik. Man in science are contracting it. Wow. Man in science. Now, President, and she say, "Ukombe biomama competition aba system no." Akwa nipa baako the whole Ghana. Now no near whom. Numbers na papa no be submit no. No more 45,000 people times 850 near Tuamano. Every man do. Now, who go why here now bisa say under normal circumstances no. Why here for and the recruiting crofo no. No mo dia ma Zoom lion. Na omoye no omo discard ma Zoom lion no otu omoka. Say why here one gasa betima recruiting crofo a. Adentina say mo de kokoma no and betu omoka.
Na equipment ni ade omo be use.
Equipment ni yes say. Try ya dinja oni adimi gwagwa ye bi. That's been ni boy yes saying.
You no mosuko.
Me say that's been ni boy yes saying.
You no mosuko.
No.
What the
no, Bogabi. They say adenu ehu. That with him. The immediate passer, you can say, CEO, Akufo Agyapong. Obu yes on Babel renew contract.
So could be answer our order.
On our order. That time as a meal kuya bochama, na could yana ye. Board Timika say, oh, Momanu go, Monfamano. Then we have Akufo Agyapong so one yet. So the nipa ye bochama, chairman say person ho. Reverend Kusi Boateng, Neyere, Anita Kusi Boateng. Wadu na ye boche. What's your most sign contract no family? Kofi Agyapong no.
Tell me ba. Me I work me.
Kusi Boateng do.
Me I na work me.
Say yem mo.
Pastor Katida.
Ono wi abete de ho.
Pastor Kati. Neyere enna na ye boche ma ho.
Family see what for say.
Me say, sadi way. Look, I am saying it here today. NDC government, some most sign contract no, Emma Zoom Lion on this same condition. Hey, I can organize a demonstration. I can say Mahama Abain. I didn't. Look, so 1 year crowd or ma in Profono 600. I don't know for 200 for administrative charges. Yes, Kakitwa 250 times 45,000. Yes, Kakitwa. Na obi kwa kwejira biam eje se wo kwa ya adwuma 1 hour wo kwa America na se wo ya adwuma 1 hour ya one year sika kra no eje $15 just 1 hour se sika wo ya twa omo no the whole month no eje $7 adan
opsi
adan
we dey betwa mu ye be di akire na ya do mo
no Mogabi sasemwe as ya funny serious they you make sure look let's fight for those people you fight omo na say omo eji koso a abanya tumbejo no
nya enkomo we na ye be bo no ho enye se obi tan obi
da bi
someone say ma me ye fantini or the saki
oso free ho
enti obi antan obi a
me so me ware fanti o
good asam na ye kan wo ho enye criminality. I've said it and I want to repeat. Nobody under this sun can say that this honorable, noble, beautiful, intelligent woman is a criminal. Nobody can ever say that. Me sitting here, I can't even say that. What we are talking about, borders on misconduct. And in our professional life, irrespective of who you think you are, at one point in your professional life, you may misconduct yourself. When you misconduct yourself and the process is rolled, allow the process to go on. When you are found guilty of that process, respectfully bow out. When you are found innocent of the process, you'll be reinstated. Asam na ye kan with Chief Justice on the Chief. Eye misconduct asam na ye kan. Yen kaso wa deep boni
kunipa na wa die.
SSA police coach no, that's not what we're saying. Eye misconduct. What we say, Chief Justice, Speaker of Parliament, and the President. Sa nipa kese miensa we nyina no nipa shawomase. It is our Ghana 1992 constitution now. There were 2 arms of government. There were 3 arms of government.
Yeah, judiciary.
And o masha da say central for no ye ka ho.
Fourth estate of the.
Me minjini. Because any constitution there were 3 arms of government. A C. Yeah, there is a 4th estate. Ewo krumenso. Estate ni mu de hina da so ma de na say adenta estate na. It's yamfa yen de nto ho. Na yen hwe the executive, legislature and the judiciary. Number 1. The president now or ye leader of the executive arm of government no. He's always voted for. Now, the president ni niwa, the vice president or swear oath. Ghana for any no sign swai biom bedi o main. Now, president no or security of tenure of office. The constitution says that you cannot just get up and say that Captain Smart is president. Na Casco on pay Captain Smart as him to share Captain Smart to Krumosime too. Be the president. We had this there's a process called impeachment that you have to take the president through. If the process says you are guilty, you roll your sleeve and out you go. Exactly. If the process says that you are innocent of everything, you stay. Pacho Donald Trump, America Vanyanbi.
Yeah.
Almost started impeachment process, but he survived.
And now he's not a president.
He survived. Now, what about parliament? You will speaker of parliament. On a toda cry and Tono Swaba. But MPs na you more parliament and 275 MPs no. Omo na represent Ghana. And omo kokoshiem. And omo tuaba. And omo di speaker of parliament. It is speaker of parliament so also what security of tenure. MP bia so wo Ghana ha bia no. Se Cecilia to we, se me member of parliament. Me kwasra me girl kura na me free me girl aba many chere parliament na ya say court sermons ye de be hye me nsem say ya enye emra ne say MP a okwakọ ye adwuma ye man court sermons eno ena minority ne ka say intim fojo no bobo ne ho akọ parliament akọ ye adwuma eno nya bom say bam wontimi nya ne hwe cause okoye adwuma emra ne say so be ye MP kura na wadi bone watoto okura kum nipa no be bowura parliament and okọ ne fie kura na oba parliament na police for pedema natural statement emra ne say yen trokrata ankoma clerk of parliament na clerk mwachire nkoma speaker na speaker mpe date no kancha Ghana police service say enne na metimi release MP no mana betro no statement sa statement woni be betro no you try no speaker office you find MP in police station
speaker of parliament
speaker no office ho obetina ho na lawyer tena won chain na watro
the legislature
good that's the legislature.
Fantastic.
They all enjoy security of tenure. We are now about judiciary led by the Chief Justice. Now watch this. Chief Justice Yantono Swaba appointino no converting our parliament na Ghana for yina yeto abama wo no and be approving no
on all Supreme Court judges.
Fantastic. So watch this. Chief Justice and so our security of tenure of office. Won't mean sorry putupru say we are president na wo bo ni dinti. We say mapamo debi yenye sa. And rather say as a so go through a certain process. And so what to me eyidedi. Now watch this. Say Chief Justice be a tenure no. President or appointee wo no. Obetime the president awie eja wo hako. Because enye co terminus. eti President Akufo na ball ye maame Georgina Wood din ama na be Chief Justice mwa
yeah
odi we no say President Akufo koy because Georgina Wood any President Akufo tenure of office no enye co-terminus enti Georgina Wood stay office and a President Akufo koy and a Professor Mills bae obaye no beto Georgina Theodora Wood ono nso ye adwuma Professor Mills wuja no ema 2012 no kura ende ye mejo mama be winning elections Georgina Wood wa ne Professor Mills anko because only Professor Mills womo tenure no enye co-terminus owie ye no obeto John Dramani Mahama ema Mahama lose 2016 elections akono wa ne John Mahama anko because womo tenure no enye co-terminus but time be we Chief Justice uba misconduct wohono you are saying that your tenure is co-terminus with the president who appointed you. So this time we are not talking about anything, we are talking about misconduct. Let's say this, last week you buy me chiro baby omo drafte Charlotte say letter na di yin edi
so Jubilee
House baby ana proposal office wono
office
baby ana sa office no wono a proposal akotena mu no e ho na omo drafte ta letter no
Jubilee House
I mean can say proposal na drafte here
by no office
but that be sad dan mu na akotena ye de ne call host as the political head my chief of staff no sad dan ebi omo drafte yansa oba ebi so obeton yansa here drafte whichever there was a draft but I sad dan any di Charlotte say ono so nana do hu say bibi eni asase so obetimi di yi no age misconduct because Charlotte said tenure no enye co-terminus but the omo hu say ye misconduct no omo de wo ma minetiko now watch this Chief Justice Emran say we nya bawudin ya approve pe SSA we submit bibia your friend some Saudi and can say we call the properties say kono your friend say we submit we japade a wo no oh me fit di ni Cecilia
of Kenya
asset declaration thank you minia esa we declare what assets now watch this asepa for ehu say ma me na be di Chief Justice wa bro bosome mienu bosome nine or kwafe ma misaki Mrs. Torkonoo on declare the assets
wow
and omo tro letter temtem
command
e copy ma me no omo dey be call Shraj say Shraj mo investigate ye ma me na mo kan kire de say on declare
Thompson
yes
afasepa
mo declare the assets no and temtem Afenyo when declare assets no and a Shraj e ka chen say on fa the response mra as Chief Justice when him say Shraj so won say no why do my so ye Chief Justice wo so but Shraj a commission into be any control e wo mo so commission Shraj commissioner no ono so the tenure of office no enye co-terminus into president bi betimi aboni din Ubeko not ho so a short otchere Anke short he had a long meanwhile his name is short
yeah but ujadimpa
eto ho wo mo tro ma me na when the response of the commercial Raj or say COVID-19 intina went to declare the asset
declaration of assets
oh bra for
Chief Justice
for Mensa Thompson mo pa mo friend Cecilia na mo bisa sasa me kan me boa
was it COVID-19
or say ma me say COVID-19 about 2020 no enunti na ama na ntimi declare the assets
this year appointing in 2019
and also COVID-19 na went to declare the
now we Ajapade awo sesi ebisa wa untimi enlist wo Ajapade awo
so Ghana for should listen emra na wo no you see Captain Smart no so said day many am gabby no so said day Wanu ntimi ntwesuo a change constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
No one is
Constitution is declare your assets as an Article 71 holder. Mamina nye. The reason of the commercial charge they say COVID-19 inti. It is so big say COVID-19 inti. The BBA say ha. How can you argue with that person? That's right. But this is misconduct. Enti yem fan say Yama Chief Justice no ono netna ohwe power atemuafo a titiri wotena Supreme Court cases so. Enti yem fan say ne busuani bi so ono so declare ne assets. Na case no kwa through High Court, through Appeals Court, na ebedu Supreme Court ha. Pacho aseme no beka ho. Because me am na me Chief Justice man declare na we wan declare na ye den na ye book constitution no enimtia. So this is clearly misconduct. It has nothing to do with criminality. This is purely misconduct. Enunti ena enkrofo petition na nado constituency executive member baako ewon kan he ya kan won petition Akufo Addo say onyi Mami Torkonoo no letter na nado Troy Coma Council of State deliki ye nti me copy say Council of State enhwa asem nim na say ebo ne be ye a winning time na asem ne koba ye no BBC ye wo mo tro financial malfeasance sankrofo no feel say enyame wo tro petition no feel say wo manya information from the Judicial Service Office of the Chief Justice it say they think that there's some kind of financial irregularity to bia akoso ewo ho enya kwentro ne keke wo. There's a 10 million Ghana cedis case bia ebeba so. Hey, wait, you see, that's what I'm saying, that the issues that we are talking about, and I am so very much happy about the composition of the committee. Wow. Our president has said no. One shall won't tears here. Soja ni bi wom obi bebusa won say why an army officer and a work committee a Chief Justice say yes ye be yina na say ye nyina. When the entire soja ni no ho.
Fabiko
nkrata bi twemu ho.
Nkrata bi eden.
Etwemu ho. Nkrata bi eye kona pass etwemu ho.
O soja fo no.
Enti ese soja ni bi ono so nim nkrata em. Ebem no wetimi ahweme hu se we de ani eye soja fo we afaye ho we emfaye ho. Now when the entire double level call here.
So no so auditor general.
Because there's an audit report. So you need an experienced auditor
to go through
the audit report. Now, Nanado, no evidence of
Charlotte was saying.
Just Charlotte was saying justice you know.
Okay.
You know. I think the time is too short to do this.
Okay, saying
we're going to plunge this country into chaos, and I think that we need to hold on. So make sure that we finish with the elections. And when we are done with the general elections, we can then sit down and then look through the matter.
Take care.
And then for in the meantime, I suggest that we should let us stay and we'll finish the elections.
Captain Smart.
Because external auditor no, sanya mahama time no your auditor no.
There be o.
Oh yeah, no what time?
Anado.
Mo. It is a catch external auditors. It's a monko audit Chief Justice. Nature say, Nanado na by you. Nature say,
Sasembio.
Very good.
Eboboba.
Enti, enya mahama
Ujoja.
What we are talking about is misconduct. It is not the president. And you see, me lawyer. So I am appealing to me now for lawyer for the say. I issues no. We should try to decouple or divorce politics from national issues.
Yeah. It's very, very important.
These things, a serious matter, law school for the best there. So, say, yet by a seminary, Pacho, say Chief Justice Okunu. Very good.
Husband.
So, Oba.
Oba.
Very good. Pacho Nikunu or a judge?
Dabi.
Okay. Nikunu or a bailiff?
Dabi.
Okay. Nikunu or a court clerk?
Dabi.
Okay. Nikunu or a circuit court supervisor?
Oja dabi.
Okay. Or a vacation judge?
Oja dabi.
Okay. Nebaba no or interpreter or court?
Oja dabi.
Okay, now watch this. Womumra ne say so pese otu kwanya. Ah? Esese eye ono. Any executive secretary. Ena aban bebo mo hoka. Teniye say official
unim
tripper. And it is stated clearly. Esese ono. Any secretary. Ena aban no bebo won hoka. Number 2. Say eye bibia a judicial service mpanifo na etu kwan. Aye wotumi tu kwan. Ekọ miambi akohwe se de de makọ ne ade a
ba me fa hoka.
Esese ono nso no. Otro na ya approve say ne office ne mu enipa wo ho de bi judges ne bi ekasa official trip no ho na ban atuaka. Okay. Who call private acquaintance? Private acquaintance. That has nothing to do with Abai. It was not official because a official as a sawutro. It's answer any official anti one tro. And Akufo Addo audit report no more.
And yet we mpo.
And all kono and of far nikunu ka ho.
Hey. Eka.
And of far neba eka ho. Ne baba. And the pace wo. And a boom.
Modi abansika.
And a omo business class.
We nsi na baby ne pa baako. Utimi nya empademu jojo ho.
Etna mu.
Oni ne ba ni.
Ko pua waba.
Wow.
According to the report, though, Minia, Oba no pay them $10,000 to Dukunu. On one kasa $10,000.
$20,000.
Nebaba no $10,000.
$30,000.
Okay. That time now, Okoye no, na dollar ni 16 cedis, 80 pesos.
Almost 17.
And you the infant says 16, you need a gusu nenche. Nature say wo koba and the cunning ne chino. Ah, nipa ba ko bi akwantu ba ko koba ye no. Emfaso onya ye wa kwantu no. Aye friend per diem no. 1.6 billion.
One trip.
How? I mean, how? Look, how?
What nyana ye den?
How? How would you do this? No, I mean, some of the things in the audit report, I will not sit here and say them. I think that committee would find their own way. You remember, I say, Umupia Assembly Koma, Council of State.
Okay.
So she appeared. Okay, Council of State, what's this kind of betrayal? If she had spent the money through the due processor, do you think she would have opted to pay? Voluntarily.
Out of cost.
She says, I will pay. So why would you pay?
We no be nya asem sa na kokko to kwa no ka say metu enti
yes, why would you want to pay that money?
Out of course,
if indeed you spend the money based on due process, why would you want to pay?
Ayeka.
Why would you want to pay?
Captain Ayeka.
You don't have to pay. The only thing you can say is that yes, I followed due process.
You defend yourself.
This money here, there, so. But now you are saying you pay. Send it to no ya benjuma. Send on also ya benjuma. So you leave another buying office to another buying office for enjoyment. Why?
Do man abro.
When him share ni nyina no etimi akoso because in this country we have a lot of unclean hands handling holy issues. There are a lot of unclean hands in this country handling very, very holy issues. People were doing things in this country with total disregard. They had no respect for anybody. They thought that they own Ghana. They thought that as a Adiana Ekosubiano, somebody up there at the epoch is doing same. So if I do same, what is it? Let me just do that.
DNBC.
Yes, DNBC. So now watch this. Look at how or answer how you can just say that this person is a Ghanaian. Or say birth certificate. You mean you should birth certificate. Emma yen kasa wo ye Ghanaian. Because birth certificate no. O ma mi din, eno papa din, ena woso. O papa ye Ghanaian, o ma mi ye Ghanaian. Me aya wo me no. Pacho me Morocco ni. You see, so sometimes I feel that we should start wiping away the unclean hands holding some kind of holy issues in this country. Look at number 3. How this Speaker of Parliament and idea issues no echo here. Let me say this to you. A lot of people don't know. Now the friend between them. Ask her. Akufo Addo so wu.
On the speaker there.
Oh. Edu baby the night time. Who was at night time?
So defend the aban.
And who was at night time?
Afenyo.
To the point to say case be aban the court be a odibim.
Ma the then national security.
Would they try me about yeah, before that nankrofobia kasa e cabinet. Me ba ho. One call cabinet meeting no ma cabinet meeting no mo call ya o mo fi mo ba ya kandapa e be make his statement no sa cabinet meeting no ma was here
to kwesi.
The old boy was angry, the Nado was angry
at the meeting
that some of the cases or no akura no hemo to use the way they did for. How did this happen?
Somehow
then a whole national security minister, listen, Uko America ne kase obi a chief security own. Chief. The whole Ghana bambo yina
national
security minister or 2 coordinators and the coordinators know what 1 deputy each tinipa 4 and so more security meeting national security meeting can the party na do beche na Bawumia trani nifa na can the party ni bonkum. This is can the position Oba Bontin Beka say the judges no no
kachire o mampo
the judges no no threat to national security say abind the case be a kokota na ye one way. Who was then the Chief Justice? None the response here then. When him say apart from military takeover ade etimi man to kwasi communities pa attention. Say bu attention on. Say asase kura afia wonim pass wasase ni. Na ye do court
genuine
document. Na ye bu kom katasese, ye bu kom na ye gi asase ni fi wunsema etesen.
Boka ye de ma.
Boka ni ye ko dwiri wudanya to agu kwa. When him say time na ye cheche me no and na kan samo. Ye che me baako, judge baako a. Wo mo ni na wie. I'm sorry, wo mo ni na kasa. So the idea was that ye did me force ro no. The plan said judge no on remand me. Me kwaye ku wo.
Dabi.
Okay. eti judge no me lawyer no sorry here bafo
yeah
any lawyer Samuel Sapon sorry omo kasa wie and prosecution the prosecutor was there no on so for national security akwabi
ya chi abrew
ono so sorry ye kan asem ni nyina also wo kasa wie na judge no we see tias na fe otro no abeka and odani nani no catch the police ni no ho say bring the handcuff, he will remand him.
Prosecutor no?
Yes, in an open court.
Wow. So I
was like, so me share no
remand captains man.
And a woman who na so edan no here na nti metina lawyer bako say you are talking too loud, how can you say judge ne sinitiase so be two case na shedawo so be you nobody has heard the verdict of the lawyer and the judge now went to me catch a police and say blah 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 remand no come bring the handcuff, he's going to remand him. Judge ne super judge here or said the accused have been granted bail to appear certain date. Yes, 2 sureties to be justified. 2 sureties to be justified no HSA yanko hwe ofie ene casco fie na mama bail nya no ano no ade na judge no ema pronouncement no 10:42 AM no
be di 10
ebo 6:40 na say afi the court na pon
mbekepo
ena omudi mi chin enka abonte so mi hu bi da
kai na speed
ya dimi nam GH boy so to me nchen and the national security sirens hopping you do a omutwia no mufi wa na sa no man ko bi agum no me de me nam afei na me GH boy me say hey je so empanish omo you do baby am say medun so no imagine ti exam sa wonju so we am say wo she me mu me say medun so or you want to shoot me
tell me you so
so mutu kan ya kwa kakra me say medun so edu baby wa say o mam so na me say wonju so a medun so kai mi sesi am wo hu na fe wa say gina what be sa what happened? Somebody told a senior person B, and that senior person also told another senior person B. They had wanted to transfer the judge. Why? Because judge now remanded me. You know what can be one year. There was another female judge. Atama me can say Galamsey. They said the AC Kono. The presidency is involved in Galamsey, and also Yabacheme. Can a papa ever chime yes?
No funeral.
Oh, me was I'm national security for baby ginger. Maybe I am starting semester. Some of my demand. To me, say operation here, no. It's me who are we na se wona and I catch madam for benin ko say minti no mo no not so debi na say na Saturday am so dey hwade
e chiwa na jwa de be de no akokasa
and I'm sorry and I'm call mo nchen
o tete wo mo
and I catch am say mini
manya na boko
and am say can pass here for umra and I'm so okay minti me fa fugu nkoda sel eti mo fa me fi na me fa t-shirt na yenko and indeed they followed me
to your house
me don't be jina Tantra Hills no me so mbe wura me fie na me so wura me bi nkramai no
no je o magun
me nka cho se me dwane because me ndi awu me nya boni bia ade boni na ekoso tia o man no na me ka ho asem
no ho chie no
and me kofa me shirt na me two perfume gu me ho fine ti me bedu me ka no me bedu ho no mo se me ntom ka na me se nan niema as if se me ntimi ntop petrol wuje we want me share me boni amaye for you to totally overhaul me into your car. It is a whopa momo bi metna me nchen
yenko
na yenko me metum ka
period
na me freka ndapa am so ofa was say ya meche me o say an ntini o momra na ye Saturday wo ankasa na o say ya nche me mra no where are you o se bi ni ho mo kuma say kana pam o se me bo o me kan cham sam wa
ofre ofa
oh bisa no
he managed this year. Kwabeni.
At the end of the day, no, edu baby no say, Afasi, you know this our job. The powers that be. The powers that be. I had no option than to instruct the guys to come and pick you. Senior, Saturday I actually yes, I had national security.
Imagine.
Your mom was so packed. Any Nima police station. And I'm a car
from
Tantra to Nima.
Police station be any hoje say.
You didn't buy Nima.
I just wa ben.
You didn't do one Nima commander say. Nima commander say on Jimmy. And then I demand a court transfer no. Because they are Chemi Santi, say Captain Smart enough from police be
Odia sempa.
Yes, Sandy Metina came. Papa, Medina.
Allah.
You come Medina, almost Medina sells so I am
from Tantra to Medina.
And I feel Sanity there.
You came with Tessano.
Sanity there. Woman to make
my 7.
A Osuha baby. It's a baby, police be shy baby. There will be a hospital be one. Cantonment then is a cantonment that's a warfare. And watch that baby. And I know so. You could change the answer and you know, Mrs. Sanity there. Young national security for officer. Near Kopaki. Chief. Yes, see. And I'm Mr. say, Ade.
My head then.
I must say, I feel the young Conamin coach from his statement. Only maybe I'm time with them. I'm sending me coffee. Na me die.
Oh.
Edwada mapo adwuma. Ne mu say Maya bi ne nam ho nam say Maya we mu. Omo ye no ma Maya ho abehwehwe me. Eye mintia. Na me ko ba ko na me ka say me na wo hwehwe ba say wunnim na wo get too close am do nyame. Moja be nwunu. Oh captain, you have to take it easy. You know we are doing our job so you have confirmed. So you are from the national security. Chemi.
Wow.
And on the twa mu koye. Thursday Mapu Ejuma Rambo style
of arrest.
Jubilee House in Chain. When him say you cannot arrest anybody less than 200 meters from the presidency at gunpoint. You are not supposed to do that. It's tantamount to coup d'etat because anybody around can also hold a weapon and fire. What will happen to the president? And because these guys are party boys, they were not trained. They know nothing about national security. The architecture has been vandalized and it's been thrown out of joint. And your mom is so pa Jubilee House in Chen wow. And you me call NI before no officer. It will. And Chakwana better card man or clock it to them chief. My main car same way in China will never make guy and then say, Debbie, send me what's up. I'm saying, look, let me tell you this. Maybe you think I'm Captain Smart sitting on radio and TV. But there be a tour de kuta minimum to chen. Eti say to now. Wako car ni mu. Wo beto. Toyota Fortuner glasses in now was ro. Wa betina front where you to akoke wo beto.
Na be.
I say o there be na am say that wo meto there. And the fashion ho anya Sammy movie car no. Sammy ka say no massa free Captain Smart reinforcement to say den.
Ipa ba kope.
Now about 18 of them wielding AK-47s and pistols. Now criticizing. Eti car be fi Jubilee House eba. Now for mu hu de e kwaso. Nti say me am hwe adinam so no. Mame ngum. No mo de me kwase me do am say mani kum meda. Am say he, am say me he. Meda. Akonya na de ma me na me to mu na meda.
That was your man na anaju no.
Meda. What? And I'm in penny for the buy. Yes, I'm consign bill, and consign Monday, young court. Near the call or by judge bio. Eka saying, Kumu Yima Minedi. Yes.
Yes, more.
You see, this is the kind of judiciary I am talking about. But you'll be a friend vicarious liability. Papa when I tebro for me ko apam secondary school. We man ko bium.
Wachira de na.
Cecilia ya to we. Se wo me ma betena ha ya me nya adwuma. Hey, boso so anya ha na yitua meka. Wo papa ma no yi meka. Na me nka asem ya enya no koremfa obi ho. one you be sue me you be sue
as a host
ni ya say sue company no aka ho then tin you sue company no na ma platform no it is a judge bi ya de a enya when ho ne yeko but you kwan
asa
yeah chief justice wo na say chief justice na mu ne misconducting ho a
asa
afi asem ni si a ye de kwan
bia bi asa ho
it's na MPP from penifo ni kro yim na kanda pa ka say the way aban ADB mu court bebrebe no a threat to national security.
Catch judges MPP before. Judges ni bebrebe MPP before no mutim bi omote.
Baby ayedru no ho me I think say ye ma me ahonfe. Obapa eni kwan say oma obeko why lucky kura say yes ye ntwa ma TV so. Me ye president me ka bibia.
Ka bi me
oh
no go check constitution.
Constitution me
Constitution article
ne say
was it in
camera constitution na fetish time no offer sikari na constitution no wen offer oh yes anema na constitution no wawu well you see you do baby a won as I said we need to adopt certain diplomatic democratic military strategy military strategy to certain things. Because almighty America, Guantanamo Bay didn't know what here. Guantanamo Bay woman to say, you could be a bro who wouldn't some funny a coach what to be him say grown. I'm America Joe. As we speak, Obekwa now. You are suspended. Look, she will not come back.
Or maybe
as a Chief Justice, no. Mesami Nikuna Kamitunifu. Ma resign. Committee o commission o the auto enyanto the otu enyantua Your Excellency, I have resigned honorably asem no emfa na asem ko enti medem anu si no mesre John mama owie pe onko Jemensa so ompam no
onko ana bi nka no
oh say nana do set president no to ho ye pam only 2 deputies neko into opam Jemensa on for 2 deputies din kana bossman and they appear hene enko. The reason is that she omem ha yet no ho yetimi o say
ayasemo
aso na kan obi onye di
onye Jemensa
me check ni pafofo so nsan yina di na sa John anyi wo madu obete pega okruma mon kan kire no
oja
watch this we easy boss him you declare results
elections they declare a polling station
we fi polling station now wo ko hin
constituency coalition center.
It is a free coalition center. Is it legal or is it illegal?
I see what they are illegal.
Okay.
There's no place training.
Oh, okay. Say illegal they are. Illegality a course. 2024 elections we require enough grounds. Say ke Jemensa ba no wakasa tender in resignation. Okofie dada. Under your watch, it will pay nipa 8.
I say she bibia ayawa so west wagon by
normal
by elections.
That's what 2024. It will pay nipa 2.
Our commission normal.
Normal.
Okay.
Anambwa.
Again see that.
Easy mobile metric verification machines. Ayira na yirai na ede na muhu
normal
enu ya de to abani bi na wo hin
ni asem
se de to abani bi a when a verify who say na vote nguso
to abi
se am fan to abani bi a adentin yakra machine aba de beto abani 1 2 bi we nko aho yetimi yinadi
able commander of basin ni MP
sa o kai sa
4 years
omanya MP da
omanya representative in parliament
where sanema we nyina timi koso because yenya president a ode abotre ni trimodin bu oman na da ye benya sa Kwame Nkrumah strategy ni bi abotre trimodin ka ho e ye dangerous che obi ojo
JB Danko Adorye om
abotra etrimoden nipa no wa abotre President Akufo fra mi otumifo o kan se mienu na che me o se Kwajo na me se papa o se wiase niam mienu na eya kwase abekum nyansani
eya
se obi ya kwase a se otumi ho sa kwa we po je ho kwase a
kunyansani
na ese nyansani bi na ho akwai akunu
bodamfo ne de ababo bitirima kono ati wase
akunu noko baby a yedru sese wo krum ha no ese se another advice a President Akufo Addo me say etoda muna wutirim na sere ewanim
akomemu no
na ye adwuma no ye na fise asase so ye wei nso hye bie ni asase so a efa nipa
so nyuno na fa nipa
won epo ehye bofo bie ni so no epo nsuo no
tiase
enu ti do baby a yedru no senior yenyi NDC ntonchen yemfa NPP ntonchen na yembisa ye ho one simple question say ade ya Chief Justice ye
yana
sanka ya American ke
you waiting for winning and someone about beto yepono so me ka say so you subscribe to channel dia bomodi an say obe subscribe na wa like video don't give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu and someone ekoso e wo Ghana be mo a so betimi atchere wadwen afa ye nsem we nyira ho e wo comment box mu obeti me kabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.